Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am going to be showing you a what's for dessert. So I have some really delicious recipes for you. They are all vegan. They are not the healthiest, but they are so good. And I thought this would be a perfect day to show you these recipes because most of you all are watching the what's for dinner. So I figured I'd switch it up a little bit and give you a what's for dessert. As always, all of the recipes will be typed up in the description box below, and I really hope you enjoy this video. If you are excited just like me, let's get right into it. This first recipe is a cinnamon roll berry streusel. So all I did was find some cinnamon roll dough in a package. I'm using the Immaculate Baking Company, and I'm just taking them and cutting them into fours. I am kind of making like a monkey bread out of this. So all I did was take some berries that were frozen, I thawed them out, and then I added some flaxseed, soy milk, a little bit of cinnamon and sugar, and I mixed everything together and put it in a bread baking dish. Don't forget that these recipes, all the measurements and what you need to cook it at will be typed out in the description box below. So here's my fail of the video. I'm taking it out of this bread dish and trying to put it into a non-rectangular dish, and that was my biggest fail because it kind of just crumbled out of here, but it doesn't really matter to me because this is going to be eaten quite quickly. So if you are more of a perfectionist, find a flat surface to put that out on, and then you can top it with your icing. This next dessert is probably one of my all-time favorite desserts. It is a ice cream cake. Pretty simple to put together, believe it or not. I'm just going to start with some chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm using the Immaculate Baking Company, and all I did was just take it out of the package and kind of fold it and put it in this glass dish. You will see that you should line this with foil or parchment paper, and I just didn't have any. I'm using the Nadamu cookies and cream. This is a company out of Texas, and they make really delicious vegan ice cream. I'm going to use some dark chocolate that I'm going to melt, and I'm also going to top it with this almond milk Ready Whip. This is so good if you need an alternative. This is a really great one. So I baked the cookie as the package directed me to, and now I'm just layering it with ice cream, and then I'm going to drizzle on that dark chocolate that was melted, and I'm just going to put on some whipped cream on the top and freeze it overnight, and I will serve it the next day. All right, next up on the dessert list is going to be this coconut dark chocolate s'mores pizza. This is best enjoyed the day of. So I have some vegan marshmallow fluff, I have some dark chocolate and coconut shreds, and then over here is just a rollout pizza dough. We're going to try and make this into a graham cracker, so you're just going to need to be able to sprinkle on some cinnamon and sugar, just using some coconut and cane sugar that are mixed together right now. And all you're going to do is just layer on your marshmallow fluff, and then you're just going to put some of that coconut shred on and some of the dark chocolate. Pop it in the oven for like 15 minutes and you are good to go. I cut mine into squares to serve to everybody, and it really gives it this toasted coconut flavor if you leave it in for an extra like 5 minutes. So that is my secret tip for everyone.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this What's for Dessert. Let me know what your favorite one was in the comment box down below. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.